माशाची आमटी, मुळ्याची भाजी. बरं, ते चालू आहे.
Now she's speaking to my cousin brother in Pune. So she goes there on deputation and she cooks there in Pune. And she has also been to Seattle to cook. So she is on deputation to cook fish curry all over the world.
This is shouta. Shouta. I will make curry of this fish. And this is tanak. And this for fry.
Get it cleaned. She adds salt to it and a lot of salt. And then she waits for 1 hour and then she washes it. So then the salt gets into the fish.
This is half coconut, 8 chilies, coriander, seed, and this is turmeric.
And this is all that is needed for this curry. And all this goes in a mixer.
I always put little amta and after that I put cocoa. त्याचे तकले आणि पाय आणि शेपटी.
The heads and the tails are removed. In cooking there is no gambling, no heads and tails. शब्द किस्मोर कसो आयलो जाणा तू? This dish is called kismoor. And once I offered this to a girl and I said kismoor and she almost slapped me. Just one piece of kokum. And she's just making smaller pieces of it.
कोकोनट असे ते इतर मिक्स केल्या येतात. सुंगटं वेगळी दवरू जाय आणि जेवताना ती घेऊ जाय म्हणजे कुरकुरीत उरतात.
She's made a vegetable with radish. And so here I just finely chopped radish, little onion, some green chili, and now after cooking it, she's adding a little grated coconut and a little salt.
Big pieces. निरपणात एकदम बरं झालं ना.
This was my father's favorite fish. My father was a school teacher and we used to be in a place called Mandre. So he will take a bus and go all the way to Shivolim to get a mullet from the Shivolim river. When my father passed away, I took his ashes and offered them to the Shivolim river so that they could be together with the mullets which he loved so much. The first bite of this in a piece of mullet is in memory of my father. There is a very nice quote by one of my favorite authors, that is P.L. Deshpande. He feels if you get good fish curry rice with a good piece of fried fish every day, you don't have to go to Himalayas to meditate and find bliss. Bliss is here in the plate.